What is competition? In economics, competition is a situation in which companies compete against each other for sales. One business may be trying to sell more than a rival. It may also strive to gain greater market share. The word competition refers to a race in which the suppliers of goods or services try to beat their rivals. In a non-business context, competition refers to a contest or rivalry involving at least two competitors. We use the term in sports, nature, science, social groups, etc. In fact, we use the term competition in any situation in which one entity is trying to beat at least one other entity. Competition is an important component of a free market economy. In a free market economy, market forces determine the prices of goods and services. Market forces are the forces of supply and demand. There is competition between suppliers of goods and services. Consumers decide who to buy from based on price, quality, reputation, word of mouth, etc. Many countries, such as the United States and United Kingdom, say that there is free competition in their economies. However, during the 2007 and 2008 global financial crisis and the Great Recession that followed, their governments bailed out many banks. In a market with truly free competition, the governments would not have intervened. Most other advanced economies, which claim to have free competition, also bailed out their banks. Thank you for watching this Markets Business News video on competition.